How is the decision of the Congress to field Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli and a non-Gandhi from Amethi going to play out in the next few days? The course of this election. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague Preeti, who is in fact at Amethi from ground zero getting us the very latest. Over to you, Preeti.
Thank you, Sneha. Well, we are right outside the Amethi Congress headquarters. The drums are beating. Priyanka Gandhi is expected to go along with KL Sharma to file his nomination. A lot of the cadre, a lot of the voters already there to try and catch a glimpse of Priyanka Gandhi. There was a deep sense of disappointment, at least in the morning when we spoke to some of them, who at least off camera would say they were expecting a Gandhi to fight the battle of Amethi. Is there a sense that the Gandhis have abandoned Amethi? The cadre now trying to put up a brave front. The drums are beating to possibly camouflage the disappointment. But the sheer fact that Priyanka Gandhi is coming in and going to go with KL Sharma to file his nomination has given them some hope. And we spoke to KL Sharma and Sonia Gandhi right now. The visuals coming on air. Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi's visuals on air. Both of them will be waiting in Raebareli with Mallikarjun Kharge for Priyanka Gandhi to join them and then, go for Rahul Gandhi's nomination. But before Rahul Gandhi files his nomination, the spotlight is going to be on Amethi. KL Sharma is being picked. He's a Gandhi loyalist. He's been the election manager for Sonia Gandhi, and he's going to fight Smriti Irani from Amethi. What it really means politically, time will tell. But let's try and get in a word from some of the workers, karyakartas, the ones who will actually take the flag of Congress and fight this election. Word also coming in, and that's the news that we are breaking, that 5th of this month, 5th of May, is when Priyanka Gandhi will start her campaign from Raebareli and Amethi. She will be spending quite a bit of time where Amethi is in question. Right now, everyone awaiting Priyanka Gandhi to come in, and we can see some of the cars pull in. कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता हैं, दुखी है
जी, दुखी है,
थोड़े दुखी है।
हाँ।
क्यों?
हम लोग प्रियंका जी को चाह रहे थे, लेकिन किशोरी जी आ गए।
पर इसमें फर्क पड़ेगा? कोई लोगों में, वोटर में
फर्क पड़ेगा।
गांधी परिवार से आना चाहिए था।
गांधी परिवार।
All right, so there's Priyanka Gandhi's cavalcade that is pulling in. क्या कह रहे हैं? गांधी परिवार से आना चाहिए।
गांधी परिवार से ही आना चाहिए था।
All right, Sneha, we are going to. Priyanka Gandhi's cavalcade has just pulled in. हटिएगा। हटिए।
जिंदाबाद, प्रियंका गांधी जिंदाबाद, प्रियंका गांधी जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद, प्रियंका गांधी जिंदाबाद, और राहुल भैया जिंदाबाद, प्रियंका गांधी जिंदाबाद, राहुल भैया जिंदाबाद, राहुल भैया।
Well, that's Priyanka Gandhi's car that's pulling in. क्या कर रहे हैं सर? लगा? चोट तो नहीं लगा? पक्का चोट नहीं लगा है ना?
All right, now some amount of chaos, and understandably so, from ground zero. This is the Congress office in Amethi, where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has just reached. In fact, once again, questions were asked of Priyanka Gandhi earlier too, as to why she chose not to contest these elections. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has in fact said somebody has to be there for the campaign as well. Congress has chosen KL Sharma, Gandhi family loyalist, and in fact a ground worker really, for the fight in the constituency of Amethi. Rahul Gandhi is going to be contesting the elections from Rai Bareli. On your screen, pictures of Rahul, right now. And he is going to be filing in his nomination, and so is going to be KL Sharma. Today is the last day of nominations, where Rahul Gandhi and KL Sharma will be filing in their nominations. Massive show of strength by the Gandhi family and the Congress leaders as well, with several top leaders of the Congress party, Ashok Gehlot, K.C. Venugopal, in fact accompanying Rahul Gandhi for the filing of nominations. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is going to be accompanying both Rahul Gandhi and KL Sharma as well. We're keeping an eye on those on those developments. In fact, when the Congress in an early morning announcement today spoke about and put out a list of candidates for Rai Bareli, Amethi, Gandhi bastions and Gandhi pocket boroughs for years together, for decades together. Rahul Gandhi on his way to Rai Bareli to file for his nominations, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is going to be accompanying KL Sharma to be filing his nomination today from Amethi, after which Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, we understand, will be joining in Rahul Gandhi when he files for his nominations. BJP, meanwhile, has raised several questions on why Rahul Gandhi. Ashok Gehlot on your screens right now. Of course, I was telling you about BJP as to why. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be accompanying him to file his nominations. Remember, he's been a Gandhi family loyalist and somebody who served on the ground. He's in fact been the election manager of Sonia Gandhi as well. A face, in fact, a ground worker from Amethi, and not just Amethi, even from Rai Bareli in the past. Kishori Lal Sharma has been fielded by the Congress to challenge BJP's Smriti Irani, the incumbent from the constituency of Amethi.